I'm video recording, thank you. Yeah. Got these boats. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Look at that, man. Wood grain. Long Beach, man. Look at that wood, man. Come on, man. Look at that. Long Beach, man. Get out and do something with yourself, man. Get outside. Look at that, man. These boats, man. Cars. Beautiful thing out here. How serious that is. Serious. That is serious.
Providing outstanding service in your neighborhood. The 16-old car wash and detail center. They're here in our expo, and we just love those folks. 39 years Shell and Shell going strong. Ring the bell on that one.
Beautiful. Got the wing. Some race boats. Shade.